Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. All responsible states are aware that their functionaries can resort to not only unconventional but also unlawful actions to carry out their duties full stop. So they take measures to ensure that such deviations from the law or established conventions are as few as possible. If they cannot be eliminated entirely, full stop, new paragraph. States that cannot realize this objective condemn themselves to suffering continual or at least periodic phases of rule without law, full stop. That there can be situations when compliance with the rules and regulations poses risks to good governance cannot be denied, full stop. To meet such situations, provisions are made under the cover of situations of emergency, full stop. But the state of Pakistan has a bad record in this regard, as the emergency declared in the 1970s was continued for many years after its justification had disappeared, if indeed a proper justification did exist at any time, full stop. We are, however, concerned at the moment with the legitimization of unlawful acts in normal and peaceful circumstances, full stop, new paragraph. The Constitution says, word Article 91(1), that it is the Cabinet of Ministers with the Prime Minister as its head that aids and advises the President in the exercise of his functions, full stop. Clause 6 of the same article says that the Cabinet, together with the Ministers of State, is collectively responsible to each of the two houses of Parliament, full stop. Thus, the legitimate authority to govern the country is the Cabinet that comprises ministers who are duly elected members of Parliament, full stop. If this body includes persons who are not ministers and have not been elected as members of Parliament, then it does not meet the constitutional definition of Cabinet, full stop, new paragraph. The government has paid no attention to the criticism of its practice of treating special assistants to the Prime Minister as members of the Cabinet, full stop. A petition challenging the status of special assistants to the Prime Minister has been pending in the Supreme Court since April, full stop. Another petition on the subject was disposed of by the Islamabad High Court with the observation that the Prime Minister could appoint as many special assistants as he wanted, but the question of whether special assistants could be made equal to elected members of Parliament or ministers holding seats in Parliament was not addressed, full stop.